Still getting buffering even with Real Debrid. Here's how to fix it in a quick few steps. First, make sure your internet speed is solid, at least 25 Mbps for smooth HD or 4K streaming. You can test it using any speed test app on your device. Next, check your Real Debrid settings inside your streaming app. If you're using Kodi, Sinclair, or Stremio, go into the add-on or provider settings and make sure Real Debrid is properly authorized. Then clear your app cache on Android TV or Firestick. Go to the settings, apps, your streaming app, clear the cache. This can instantly improve performance. Also, avoid links from unknown or slow hosts. Stick to links that say cached, Real Debrid, or list known fast hosts like Rapidgator, up to Box, or Mega. If you're using Wi-Fi, switch to Ethernet or move your device closer to the router. Weak signals are a major cause of buffering, even with premium links. Finally, try streaming during peak off hours. Real Debrid servers may get overloaded at night, depending on your region. That's it. Follow these tips, and your buffering should be gone. If this helped, hit like, subscribe, and let me know what app you're using with Real Debrid.